Camp Nou is moving into another important phase, and today's update brings some really interesting progress from around the stadium. The compression ring remains a major focus, while new anchor installations in the Tribune and the first railings appearing on the third tier are giving us a clear look at what's coming next. We're also seeing important movement around the VIP areas. So let's take a closer look at the latest progress and see how Camp Nou is taking shape. Final finishing work is continuing on the llamas already installed across the lateral section. In the completed areas, the protective plastic has already been removed, leaving the finished llamas fully exposed. However, sections where llamas are still missing continue to retain their protective covering, with the remaining facade elements still waiting to be installed. This shows that the completed sections are moving into the final finishing stage, while the unfinished areas remain prepared for the next llama installation. Work continues across the first VIP ring, particularly on the previously rendered walls, which are now being painted in a gray tone matching the sandwich panels of the stadium cores. Inside the South Goal VIP area, several workers are also active, while the flooring and some interior finishes remain incomplete. Overall, the VIP area is progressing through its finishing phase, with wall treatment and interior work continuing alongside the completed decorative louvers around the first terrace. Work continues across the central Tribune area, where several new anchors for the llamas have been installed. Most of the central sectors now appear to have their anchor systems in place across the upper, middle, and lower sections, bringing these areas closer to the next phase of facade installation. Workers are also preparing additional supports in areas where anchors are still missing, while machinery continues operating across the Tribune floor. The flooring work on the Tribune staircases has now reached completion in the section that was previously missing several slabs. The remaining pieces have been installed, while leftover material from cutting is being collected and removed to clear the area. This section is now largely finished and prepared for use. Work continues across the second cantilever, with workers progressing on the internal walls and structural elements around this level. Formwork, reinforcement, and preparation work are still visible in several sections, while other areas are being readied for the next stages of construction and finishing. The third tier remains largely structurally complete, with current activity focused mainly on finishing and preparation work. Crews are continuing with work around the upper-level structures and circulation areas, while the installation of remaining elements and finishes continues as the stadium moves toward the next stages of completion. Work continues across the second cantilever, with workers progressing on the internal walls and structural elements around this level. Formwork, reinforcement, and preparation work are still visible in several sections, while other areas are being readied for the next stages of construction and finishing. The third tier remains largely structurally complete, with current activity focused mainly on finishing and preparation work. Crews are continuing with work around the upper-level structures and circulation areas, while the installation of remaining elements and finishes continues as the stadium moves toward the next stages of completion. At the corner, the protection net has been moved after workers completed the installation of structural tubes in the previous section. The remaining tubes are now being installed farther along the lower part of the overhang. Meanwhile, the black sandwich panel installation around the mobility core is nearing completion, with only a small number of panels remaining on the second level and very little left in the lower section. At the south goal, work continues on the access walkway in front of the mobility cores. The remaining floor section still needs to be completed, followed by the installation of the required railings and structural pieces. A smaller adjoining walkway also remains unfinished, while preparation work is underway for the next sections. Overall activity in the south goal remains relatively limited compared with other areas of the stadium. Additional lighting work is taking place around the south goal, with workers installing and securing spotlight connections around the structural pillars. Several sections of the lower facade still remain without llamas, particularly around the mobility cores. The missing llamas continue to be one of the visible unfinished elements in this area, while lighting installation progresses around the sections that are already covered. The compression ring has already made major progress, with most of its structure now in place around the stadium. However, the final 12 box segments are still missing, and no new boxes have been installed in recent days. Additional bracing work is also required in the central tribune section, which could be contributing to the slowdown. With only the final sections remaining, the compression ring is now very close to completion. Construction activity continues inside the diamond structures, with workers installing and preparing formwork, cutting timber panels, and reinforcing different sections. Several areas have already been enclosed with blocks and formwork, while reinforcement remains visible in sections that still need to be completed. Workers are also continuing structural work above the entrances, installing and securing metal components and checking their alignment. The lateral section is being prepared for the next phase of sandwich panel installation between the second and third levels. New structural beams and green support components have been installed, while surrounding steelwork, trusses, and bolts have been painted and prepared. Welding work is also taking place from elevated platforms. The area now appears close to being ready for the sandwich panels, although installation has not yet begun at this level. Further along the lateral, several workers are continuing to build formwork around the reinforced structures. Blocks have been installed across large sections, while timber panels are being positioned to create the required concrete forms. Several reinforcement cages are already almost completely enclosed, with only smaller sections remaining before the next stage of concrete work. Additional work continues around the existing llamas, including checks and finishing activities on the installed sections. This indicates that the remaining facade work is still preventing some areas from being fully finished. At the north goal, a new connecting beam is being positioned between the supports for the llamas. Workers are adjusting and securing the piece into position while elevated platforms are being used for additional work above. More structural components are being prepared in this area as the facade support system continues to expand. LED lighting installation is progressing around the north goal. Workers are connecting and securing cables to the new lighting fixtures, with several sections already wired while others still require connections. Additional LED fixtures are also being installed around the corner, continuing the stadium-wide lighting preparation in areas where the llamas are already in place. The installation of exterior concrete panels has now begun at the lower part of the north goal mobility cores. 3 panels have already been positioned, with another panel being transported from the tribune area toward the north goal for installation. Scaffolding is also being assembled around the next working area to support the continuation of the panel installation. Workers continue operating around the north goal with scaffolding being assembled and dismantled in different sections. Insulation material is visible behind the working areas, while additional crews continue preparing the structure for the next exterior panels. Compared with the south goal, the north goal currently shows noticeably more activity, particularly around the lower levels and interior sections. The tribune area is increasingly prepared for the return of llama installation. Anchors are now visible across the upper, lower, and false ceiling sections of another corner, while workers continue securing and preparing the remaining supports. With much of the central tribune already equipped with its anchor system, these sections are now moving closer to receiving the next batches of llamas. Additional LED spotlights are being installed in the north goal corner, while workers continue positioning protection netting around the upper levels. The newly transported concrete panel is also being moved into position alongside the 3 panels already installed. With structural, concrete panel, and lighting work all progressing simultaneously, this corner currently has one of the highest levels of visible activity across the stadium. The new graderío inside the diamond has advanced significantly since the previous inspection. Reinforcement and the first formwork elements have rapidly developed into a much more complete step structure, with panels now forming most of the visible seating levels. Only the lower section remains incomplete in several areas, and the structure is approaching the stage where concrete can be poured across the graderío. Overall, facade, lighting, and interior finishing work continues across several areas, while the compression ring remains unchanged in this update. The next major developments will depend on further progress around the remaining cores and the roof structure.